Or I'm gonna show y'all how to set up FL on this motherfucker. So if you don't already have this motherfucker installed, let me make sure I don't got nothing crazy on this motherfucker. Hold up. You wanna just go to the FL website. I don't know why my shit on Yahoo. Who the fuck use Yahoo? But you search up FL, click the download thing. It should be the first thing. If you got Windows, download Windows, and if you got a Mac, download Mac. If you need help doing this, it's easy. If you need help doing this shit, like bro, you need some help, my nigga. Like I don't know if I can help you, my nigga. You just need help, my bro. But if you got Windows, download Windows, and if you got Mac, download Mac, and then just go through the installation thing. And then once you do all that, it should open it. And then the first time you open this motherfucker, it's gonna already open a whole ass made song and shit for you. I don't know why the fuck they do that, but it's gonna open a whole ass project. Once that fully open and load on your slow ass computer, I'm probably already on your computer slow as shit, but it's gonna load up a whole ass song, and that shit gonna take a whole hour to load up. But if your computer's slow, but you gonna wanna go to new template and then go to empty, damn, and just go to empty, and then once you get your empty one open, this is a good thing that I already have some loaded. But once you get your empty one loaded up, you're gonna want to go to your audio and then click this. If you already have if you have a USB microphone, it should already work. If not, you might want to go to this right here, and then your mic should work. If you got a interface like I do, like a Focusrite, you're gonna want to click this right here. I'm not sure what this one do. But once you click that, you basically done. You got your mic and shit set up already. I'm not sure what the sample rate do. You don't really have to fuck with that unless you're trying to really do some audio file nigga type shit. But yeah, once you do all that, you don't want to set. This is how I have mine set up. So when you open this, you're not gonna have this is not gonna be over here. The audio going up and down. It's not gonna be over here. To do that, you're gonna choose one of these tracks. Whichever track you want, you can choose track 2 like I do. You can do insert 2 like I do, and then go to this top thing right here and then click input 1. Input 2 is your like say you have a guitar or something. I think you can do a second mic on that shit, but like a guitar or a second mic, you can put it out on a second input. But it should be on the first input on your Focusrite, and then click that, and you should have your audio. And then what you can do is you can use it just like that off rip. You basically done. You done. You there, brother. You're done. But if you want to do what I do and how I have it set up, you can go here, right click that motherfucker, and go to route track only. This makes it to where, dude, it'll put your EQs and shit on this one, and then when you record, you can take the shit off, so it's not on the main audio type shit. That's what it is on the main audio. But yeah, you basically set up already. That's basically it. Honestly, you done, brother. You're done. If you want me to show you like the picture shit, should I just show that shit, bro? It's pretty simple, bro. Yeah, you just fuck around with it. Honestly, just fuck around with it. I got my picture. This is audio. This is auto tune. Uh, if you get you a song, you're gonna want to set it to the same key. So this is, I think it's C minor. I set this to minor, and then this to C, and this is the speed or the how heavy the auto tune on it is. You can use this to like for the fine tune type shit. I think that makes it less robotic or it fucks with it, changes it around, but you can just fuck around with it and figure it out. But yeah, that's basically it, honestly. This sound goodizer work pretty good, but hey, that's basically it really. If you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something, hey, like, comment, and subscribe for more shit, my nigga.